Hello. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create planar envelopes. Planar envelopes are mineralized 3D solids that are easy and quick to generate and update. Planar envelopes are based on mineralized intervals as we see here. The mineralized intervals are based on the drill hole data and cut-off grades. I'm going to show you how to automatically generate mineralized intervals using cut-off grades in another video. Right now, I'm going to show you to create planar envelopes. First, let's display them using the dictionary that makes it much easier to visualize. As you can see, there's a good alignment of the mineralized zone, and it is likely passing through this area. To create the first envelope, we need to select the mineralized intervals and give the tag number we want to use. Let's choose tag number 1. In this example, we will use a maximum extension distance of 100 meters. We can also add the middle distance option. With the half distance selected, if an unselected drill hole is, let's say, 150 meters from the last drill hole at the margin of the envelope will only extend 75 meters, which is half the distance between the two drill holes. Looking at this example, we may decide that this interval sits a little too low and shouldn't be included. We'll select the interval, remove that tag, and regenerate the envelope. The envelope is now smaller. If we can create another envelope, we can see that there's probably a second mineralized zone in this area. We can use a fast option in the software to create a tag and assign a tag number. In this case, we'll select tag number 2. A new envelope is created using the same properties as a previous envelope. If we want to create a third envelope, the process is exactly the same. We can look in this area to generate a new one. Let's generate tag number 3. We use the Generate Planar and Tag Fast tab. Select the intervals and label the tag number 3. We now have a third envelope. You'll notice that the maximum extension distance was set to 100 meters. However, in this area, the envelope clearly doesn't extend the full 100 meters. Here there is only 22 meters because there is a drill hole here that does not contain a selected interval. As a result, the envelope stops at a halfway between the two drill holes. If we select the envelope, we can see it more clearly. The distance between these two drill holes is about 50 meters, so the envelope stops at roughly 25 meters. Thank you for watching. If you have any requests or suggestions for other topics, let us know in the comments.